Here are 3 ways to search and join channels on Telegram. Now open up the Telegram app on your iPhone or Android. And the first and easiest way is you can swipe down if you're in that chat section. And then we can tap on the search bar. Now we can always just search for channels and some will pop up, but I'm going to show you 2 other tricks if this doesn't work for you. The first thing that we can do is, let's say we want to find channels about cars. You can see it shows me a few different options here, but I'm going to go over to channels specifically because I only want to search for channels. And now at the very top right is show more. You'll be able to see it shows me some channels, but it doesn't show me a ton of different options. It doesn't give me a long list of ones, and I don't like the ones that are showing up. That's your first option to see if it shows up. You can also just start typing in cars A, and then you can see it shows a different list. Cars B, and then it'll show up a different list again. So let's say this car is a luxury cars. I like that one. You can always tap on this and say you like this channel, but you want to find other ones. A second option to be able to find channels is just to tap at the very top here. And you can see similar channels. Just tap on that and it will show you a bunch of similar channels that are related to that channel that you might have already joined or that you already like. So this is another way to kind of branch off from certain channels and find more of them. Now on any of these different ones, if you wanted to join them, of course you just tap on the join button and you're part of that channel. However, if you're still not finding the channel that you want, another great option is just to open up a web browser on here, and we're going to type in best Telegram channels. Now you can see you can go to Reddit on here, but I would recommend first just checking out this website. Let's say I wanted to go through and find I like games and apps. So on here you can see games and apps, suggested channels. You can go through this entire list of finding a bunch of different channels on certain topics. Of course, you can keep going through business, startups, food, sales, adult, crypto, other. You can basically find top channels online and then specifically join them from there.